open the blind so you can...
This is our Go-Go trick shot number 1. Now it's time we start the trick shot. No, sorry. Let me see. The ball we'll put on this badminton racket, which will knock down this Go-Go all the way down to that Go-Go, and it'll knock those books down, which will knock those Legos down, and that Go-Go right there will knock the cups down, and that whole Go-Go run all the way into the basket. I think I shall put this Go-Go right here. 2 Go-Go's are going to end up in the basket. Okay, time to start the Go-Go trick shot. Only if that guy slides down, I'll be good. Once this thing comes off, I have a new plan. Actually, I was going to attach it to here. Let me do that. Yeah. And here we go. Man, I need more power with that thing. It slid off early. Okay, I need weights on the sides. You can watch the side. Man. That should have knocked the cup down. We needed more force there. My Go-Go's trick shot hasn't worked so far. Let me reset it. Where is the Go-Go that I put in there? We'll just use him later. Let me just put the ball down here. I need more force against those books. Kabam. The Go-Go's trick shot isn't turning out to work well, but by resetting it, it's kind of working. That was my Go-Go's trick shot. Now, the Go-Go's are going to have a talk. Even though my Go-Go's trick shot didn't work out well, the Go-Go's are going to have a talk. Guys? Yeah. Do you insist to start a Go-Go's trick shot contest? Yeah. We shall choose who has the best video. Subscribe. Whoever subscribes, we know there's an entry for. So subscribe when you have an entry. No matter if you like it or not. Yeah! Oh. You can put as many entries as you want. But just make sure there can be no more, and I mean no more, than 10. Okay? We'll see you soon. Go-Go's! Go-Go's, they get crazy bones. Go-Go's camera! Go-Go's camera blast! Just to be sure, it is only a contest. And whoever wins will get a full 3-minute video. Bye.